Well, hello, folks. I'm L.A. Little, and this is your daily NeoTA wrap. Where we take a look at these markets, and we do it from a neoclassical perspective. Each time asking ourselves what happened today, and what does it tell us about the coming ones. I do this show 4 times a week, every Monday through Thursday. I have it at 9 o'clock Eastern Time and archived on YouTube. It's under the channel L.A. Little if you want to catch it there. And starting next week, that is where we will be broadcasting, and that's where you'll be able to catch it. We'll have those details tomorrow. As far as today, what do we have? We had an interesting day today, a very interesting day, quite frankly. We had one of those days that we haven't seen in a while, and that is that we had a lot of volatility. Market pushing up, market pushing down. Market wants to break to the downside finally again. We'll see if it can do it, and there's some clues tonight that it looks like it might. As far as what happened today, we finally got a decent push to the downside. Industrials almost 100 points, 17,000, down 0.5%. The S&P's dropped a little over almost 2/3%, 13 points, down at 1988 again. That's the underneath that range. We'll look at that here in a sec. Composite drops 0.87, 40 points. NDX itself drops 0.82, 33.5 points. And the Russell, 1% lower, 13.8, almost 14 points, 1158.5. We had gold flip around by the end of the day, actually closed up. It was down, I think it was down almost 1%, 120. It would have been not quite 1%, but it was down a fair amount, and it flipped around. Silver did the same, up 0.27% at the end. UNL, we had a lot of stuff happen today. UNL jumped on news that Europe wants to negotiate transatlantic shipments of oil and gas, natural gas. So that pushed it up. Oil got a little bit of support off of that. The dollar, as I said, flipped around. Looks like the dollar is going to try to pull back. Finally, the bonds really flat on the day. That's a pretty big picture of what took place. Let's flip into these charts, though, and look at what's coming. First thing to note here is the range. Right, we've been talking about, it had been a 10-day range, I believe, and that range had been right about there. And let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10 today was 11, but now you're under it. You're back inside again this swing point high. That was the retest regenerate zone. It was tested here, tested again there, tested again here. It's being tested again on a full basis here. It's going to break. It's coming back down to this bar. That's where it wants to go. You're fixing to get the 1 point break to the downside.